Welcome to this detailed guide on adding a search bar to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the WordPress interface and enhance your website's functionality by incorporating a search element. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting WordPress, where you can manage all aspects of your website. When you arrive on the page, locate the login option found in the top right corner and click it to start the process of accessing your account. Once the login window opens, you will see several login methods. For convenience and efficiency, select the option to continue with Google. Choosing this method allows you to authenticate your account quickly by selecting the appropriate Google account from the list, ensuring you are signed in without the need to remember additional password details. With your WordPress account successfully accessed, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on the dashboard. This section provides shortcuts to frequently used functions, and here you will find the Edit Site option. Clicking on Edit Site transports you to the Site Editor interface, where you have the power to modify the layout, design, and various features of your website. Within the site editor, your next action involves looking for a plus icon, usually positioned in the top left corner of the interface. This plus icon is an important gateway to additional design elements and widgets that you can add to your page. By clicking on this icon, you reveal a full panel of options designed to help you customize your website's look and functionality. After opening the panel, a useful strategy is to utilize the built-in filtering feature. Begin by typing the word search into the provided field. This action filters through the list of available widgets and quickly brings the search component into view. The filtering method not only makes your search easier but also saves time by eliminating the need to manually scroll through a long list of options. As soon as the search widget appears, proceed by clicking on it. This simple click adds the search element directly onto your editing canvas. With the search widget now part of your design, all that remains is to position it where it will be most accessible and visible to your website visitors. To complete the process, drag the newly added search widget to your desired location on your page. Whether you want to place it in the header, on the sidebar, or anywhere else that enhances site navigation, the drag and drop function in the editor ensures that you can position the search bar just where it is needed. This flexibility in placement is one of the strengths of WordPress, allowing you to tailor your website exactly to your needs while improving user experience. Following these instructions will enable you to add and customize a search bar on your WordPress site, making it easier for visitors to find the content they are looking for. By carefully navigating from logging in, accessing the edit mode, filtering for the search widget, and finally placing it on your page, you enhance the functionality and usability of your website. Enjoy working with WordPress's intuitive interface as you improve navigation and overall user engagement on your site.